Small businesses are often seen as easy targets by cybercriminals. While large corporations make headlines when they experience breaches, small businesses are attacked more frequently. This is because hackers know that smaller organizations often lack the resources to invest in robust cybersecurity measures. For many small business owners, the misconception that they are too small to be noticed creates a dangerous gap in their defenses. Cybersecurity is not just a concern for large companies or tech-savvy organizations. It's a critical aspect of running any business today, no matter the size or industry. Hackers don't discriminate based on company size, they're opportunistic and look for the easiest way to exploit vulnerabilities. Small businesses often store sensitive data, including customer information, payment details, and employee records, making them attractive targets for cybercriminals. The impact of a cyber attack on a small business can be devastating. Beyond the immediate financial losses, such as theft or ransom payments, there's the cost of downtime, recovery, and repairing the damage. A single breach can erode customer trust and tarnish your reputation, sometimes permanently. Studies have shown that many small businesses never fully recover after a cyber attack, with some closing their doors within months of an incident. The good news is that protecting your business doesn't have to be overly technical, complicated, or expensive. Cybersecurity starts with a proactive mindset and a commitment to safeguarding your digital assets. There are simple, actionable steps that every small business can take to significantly reduce the risk of a breach. These include regularly updating software, using strong and unique passwords, enabling multi-factor authentication, and training employees to recognize phishing attempts and other common scams. One of the biggest challenges small businesses face is a lack of awareness about cybersecurity risks. Many attacks succeed because employees unknowingly click on malicious links, open infected email attachments, or use weak passwords. Human error is a leading cause of cyber incidents, which means education and training are critical components of any cybersecurity strategy. Empowering your team to recognize potential threats and respond appropriately can go a long way in protecting your business. It's also important to know that cybersecurity is not a one-time effort. Threats evolve constantly, and your defenses need to keep pace. This means regularly reviewing and updating your security practices, staying informed about the latest threats, and adopting new technologies and tools when necessary. Even small adjustments, such as changing default settings on your devices or investing in affordable security software, can make a big difference. This video is the first in a series designed to make cybersecurity accessible and practical for small business owners. Our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to safeguard your operations without breaking the bank. Over the next few videos, we'll cover topics such as identifying common threats, implementing affordable security measures, and preparing a response plan in case of an incident. By taking the time to understand the risks and invest in basic cybersecurity practices, you can protect your business from becoming another statistic. Remember, cybersecurity is not just an IT issue, it's a business priority. It's about protecting your hard work, your customers, and your future. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the most common threats small businesses face and how you can identify and prevent them before they cause harm. Stay tuned, and let's work together to build a safer, more secure future for your business.